Hello guys, this is a very quick one about the 2025 BECE results. All candidates, this is to all candidates. Now, the West African Examination Council hasn't released the results yet, but this is what they have released. They have released the candidates which results has been hold and has been withheld, has been published on their website. So if you're a parent, if you are a guardian, if you're a student, and if you know you wrote the 2025 BEC, you are part of them, and you need to do this. You need to go to the website, which I will be leaving in this video description. Just go there and search through to see if you find your name there, because they have brought the names of the candidates which results are being held, and they are inviting you guys to come to the nearest WAEC office to have a conversation with them. This is what they have stated. So make sure you go to the website and check if your name is there. Check if your name is there. So they have provided your names and then the date that they are expecting you to be at the WAEC office. Okay, so just go to the website and check your name. I'll pin the links in this video description. This is the official website for WAEC. Go there and check your name. They have categorized it into three. They have the set one, they have the set two, and then they have the set three. So this is what you are supposed to do. You need to go navigate through the website, search all the sets, either one, two, or three, and look if your name is there, and then just look at the day that they are expecting you to be at the WAEC office. Just go there. If not, your results will be on hold when the results are being released. So this is from the West African Examination Council. Go to the description of the video, the link will be there. Go and check